how to make a TikTok longer. To get started, first of all, open up the App Store on your phone. On this page, go to the bottom panel and tap on the search icon. Here you can browse and search for games, apps, stories, and more. Now go to the search bar and search for TikTok. Once you are here, tap on Open. You will then be taken to the TikTok homepage. Here you can explore and view TikTok Reels. On this page, go to the bottom panel and tap on the plus icon in the middle. This is the TikTok camera screen. Here you can take photos or videos to post on TikTok. Now you can choose a time limit for your video as shown. For example, if you want to add a long video, select 10 minutes. Then, tap and hold the capture button to record a video. After that, tap on the tick button beside it. Here, edit the video as you like using the edit options on the right side of the screen. Once you are done, tap on Next at the bottom. Here you can add a caption if you want and manage other settings before posting. Following these steps, you can easily make a TikTok longer.